And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Yes, sir.
How we doing, brother?
What's going on, man? What you running in here?
Okay, so I got 4 for the Resilient Sound Onyxes on strap salt 8s.
Yes, sir.
I'm running roughly 15.4, 15.5 on my voltage. So I'm trying to get them right where they need to be.
How are you able to keep your sunroof in there?
It's not easy.
It's not easy. I was hoping somebody give me some advice somewhere.
It's going to be deleted. I'm going to have steel welded in at some point.
That's what they tell me to do.
Yeah, I just got this, like, together enough that I could demo and be out here.
Yeah, just to get it going.
Yeah.
Hey, you don't want to show up without a plan, did you?
Yeah.
It don't feel right, do it?
No, not at all.
Oh yeah, man, I need to put that in the truck. Thank you, bro. You know how it is.
I lost mine today in my teammate's truck.
I'm gonna have to put mine in the truck. Yeah. I'll tell you.
I've really set it up for burping.
Yeah,
Walk
just
class.
run to the lane.
Yep. The music is okay.
Yeah.
But with these Onyx, I can't get low.
Yeah,
so I need to stay at like 30 and above.
You have to get that lane, get that score right.
Yeah.
That's
You smell when it's starting to get under 30.
Start smelling a little
They
bit.
start stinking.
Man, it's really nice, man. Sounded good to me.
Thank you.
Where can they find you on social media anywhere?
Not really. I'm just starting
Just
out.
getting on.
Yeah, trying to get it together. So I'm starting Atlas Goods LLC, and it's going to be audio based. But I haven't really figured out what I want to do with it yet.
Okay. I'll be sure to tag you in there. I'm sure the guys know you're in the Resilient Sound group.
Yep.
So yeah, man.
So his name is David Alverson. Currently, we'll see what happens today, but currently I'm holding 6th in Warlock and Base Force.
Oh yeah. Hopefully, man, you can hold it up there.
I'm trying, man.
It's a good one, man. Good seeing you, bro.
Yeah,
I'll see you next time, brother. I'll come back and get that down. My buddy's doing. If nothing else, I'll just get the pictures up. Alright? Get it.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe
wrong.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Alright, so I appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.